Thank you, Jordy, and thank you to our other presenters. And many thanks to all our attendees for spending your afternoon with us. Some of you may not have realized we actually had 5 presentations today, and one of them being a concurrent session at 1 p.m., which was in French. So thanks to Maurice for moderating that part of the symposium. The discussion for that 1 p.m. was also on music and looking at Braille music resources in French in Canada and further afield. So that presentation, as well as the other 4 presentations that happened this afternoon, will be available shortly by transcript and recording on our website. And before you all slip away, just if you have any comments or questions about any part of today's symposium, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us at info@blc-lbc.ca. So that's info, I-N-F-O, at blc-lbc.ca. Send us your comments, send us your questions, and we'll get back to you. You know, this event would not have been possible without all the support that we receive, not only from our volunteers, but from people like Jordy, our speakers, from, Jordy, thanks for getting up at the crack of dawn to share your expertise with us. I also would like to thank my fellow board members and our sponsors who, again, were Canadian Assistive Technology, Humanware, Crawford Technologies, and Beyond Print CNIB. Thank you to those sponsors, and thank you, our participants, for joining us again this year with the 4th annual. We are already talking about next year, the 5th annual Braille Symposium. Anybody have ideas for great speakers or topics? Send them our way. We would love to share worldwide the expertise that we have in Braille education, Braille technology, Braille resources. So much happening, and we think Braille is only 200 years young. We've got many years ahead to enjoy the benefits of Braille. So thank you all for participating today, and I'm going to wind things up now. Good to have you here. Bye for now.